Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Cricket is where we begin. Jamaica Tallawahs captain Brandon King says that there's more than a win at stake as the defending Caribbean Premier League champions look to bounce back to winning ways against the Barbados Royals at the Kensington Oval this afternoon. In their last game against the Guyana Amazon Warriors, they fell short by 34 runs to leave them in third in the standings, with the top order batters crumbling in their run chase. Bowling coach Curly Ambrose says the team is laser focused despite the loss this past weekend.
But don't you worry, the Jamaica Tallawahs is still full of confidence. We are still the team to beat. Everyone wants to dethrone us. It's not.
It will be the first meeting between the teams this season after following the no result in the opening week due to rain, and is a rematch of last season's final. The game bowls off at 6 p.m. Jamaica time. Now, Cavalier SC will go in search of their first win in this year's CFU Club Championship when they host AC Port of Spain of Trinidad and Tobago in Group A action at Sabina Park this afternoon. Kickoff is at 5:06 p.m. Cavalier drew 1-1 with the Defence Force, also of Trinidad, in their opening game last Thursday in the Twin Island Republic, while Port of Spain went down 1-0 to Mocha FC. The first and second place finishers from the group will make progress to the knockout stage. And at the conclusion of the competition, the champion will qualify for the 2024 CONCACAF Champions Cup round of 16, with the runners-up and third place finisher entering at round 1. Olympian Yona Knight Wisdom is in the island hoping to drum up support for diving, as World Aquatics wants to invest in the sport in Jamaica, but there is no program to support that investment. Wisdom says when he comes to Jamaica, he's unable to train as some structural changes are needed to facilitate the type of diving that he does.
As you can see, they've just got the platform structure here. There's no springboards. So when I come here, I can't train because I'm a springboard diver and there's no springboards.
Knight Wisdom says while it will require a certain level of funding, it's just a few adjustments that need to be made to the structure that's already there.
It could stay as it is. There just needs to be some surface on the platform because it's just concrete at the moment. Normally you have a surface that provides a bit of grip on the boards, so that structure can stay as it is. Then we'll just need like springboards on either side, so you can have 3 meters on one side and then 1 meter on the other side.
Quick spring over now to some track and field. Triple jumpers Shanika Ricketts and Kimberly Williams are the first Jamaicans in action at the Zurich Diamond League meet, now underway in Switzerland. Ricketts is currently lying in second place with 14.32 meters behind four-time world champion Ulimar Rojas of Venezuela, who is leading with 15 meters flat so far. A total of 12 Jamaicans are down to compete at the meet. World 100-meter hurdles champion Daniel Williams will face the fellow podium finishers from Budapest, Olympic champion Jasmine Camacho Quinn and former world record holder Kendra Harrison of the USA. Roshan Clark will be making his Diamond League debut as he'll run the 400-meter hurdles. Two-time world 200-meter champion Sherika Jackson will also take to the track in the half-lap event. Double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Hera, compatriots Natasha Morrison and Sasha Lee Forbes will contest the 100 meters against American Shakira Richardson. And of course, the likes of Adele Tracy will go in the women's 800 meters. Now in the field, World Championship bronze medalist Tajay Gale will contest the men's long jump along with compatriot Kerry McLeod. They'll battle Greek world champion in the event Miltiades Tentoglou of Greece. And that is it for your lunchtime sports for today. And I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you so much, Jermaine. And we know you'll have lots more in our primetime sports package. But until then, on behalf of the entire team, I'm Javon Keys. Our next major newscast will be at 7 p.m. Until then, take care.